Do you want to create unique and personalized coaster for your business? We got you covered. This video is perfect for you. Just drag your design to OKI software and click Print Job. OKI Pro8432 can also print on dark colored garments and other hard surfaces like mags, bags, and many more. Marry paper A and B and press it for a few seconds. Cut your design into the shape of your coaster and press it again for a few seconds. ELI600 is an industrial grade heat press with consistent heat on all corners. Enjoy your drinks more with your personalized coasters. To maximize the area of your heat press table, you can also place multiple coasters at a time. Cork Coasters are fun and easy to make, so make yours now for your business. For more information and more informative videos like this, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.